UPSC has just released the schedule for the first leg of 2025 personality test program to be conducted for the civil services examination. And from the look of it, it may seem that there will be 6 boards to actually preside and conduct over the interview panel. And the actual personality test for the first leg would be conducted between the 8th of December to the 19th of December. And in my observation and in my experience, this has been the shortest gap that has been ever existed between the release of schedule and the first interview that would be conducted. I know it can be a bit scary and fearful and anxious at the same time to see your name appear in the list for the personality test which were to be conducted in the early leg of the overall schedule. But you need to understand that this is not a test of your information or your knowledge or your content. It has already been checked in the mains and prelims examination. This is actually the test of your personality, your character, and your overall moral, ethical, and intellectual compass. You need to understand the fact that this is a cumulative exercise of your personality which you have inculcated throughout your journey, throughout your life, throughout your experiences that you have actually gained. So rather than panicking and focusing too much on content and information right now, you should back yourself, you should be confident, and at the same time seek to express and make conversation with the board as much as you can. The board itself wants to know you better. They are there to award more marks to you. Rather than shying away from the conversation and going by the bookish language of it, you should be very confident and you should be very conscious of the fact that you need to be yourself and you need to showcase those qualities of yourself which are actually required in a good public servant. Remember, it's all about service and you need to be exhibiting the service quality of yourself with the apt moral, intellectual, and ethical compass. Till then, if you have any queries, any doubts, just get back to us at Nurturing for UPSC for any one-to-one or any kind of discussions that you would want to have. Till then, all the best and Jai Hind.